Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to buy Bitcoin on Kraken easily. Buying Bitcoin on Kraken is one of the easiest ways to get started with crypto. Kraken offers a beginner-friendly buy crypto feature that lets you purchase Bitcoin instantly without needing to understand trading charts or the advanced tool, and depending on your location you can either buy directly using card balance or use the existing crypto like USDT as well. So first, make sure to log into your Kraken and open to your Kraken app. Here you can open with the Face ID or your password as well, and over here under this most popular we can find the first option is the Bitcoin currency. Tap on the Bitcoin there, and under here you can find this trade in the bottom right. Tap on the trade and find to buy in the plus icon there. In order to buy you need to verify your KYC as well. Proceed to it and select the Bitcoin from the list. Enter the amount how much you want to spend, $50, $100, and choose the payment method card if available or your Kraken balance and review and confirm it. Check fees amount of the BTC you will receive and click confirm, and your Bitcoin will appear in your account instantly. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.